Good morning, Airbnb adventure guys. I just used plain brown and served turkey sausage chopped really fine and regular pork sausage, Jimmy Dean's. And then I greased a pan, and this is a delicious breakfast casserole you can make. It has 2 cups of cheese in it. I'm going to put the recipe below. It has onion, garlic, red and yellow peppers, your sausage, and then it has 10 eggs. And you just mix it all together like this, and voila, you bake it for 35 to 40 minutes at 350. Now, I try to get all the egg and cheese mixture out. You can just use a spatula to do that. As you can see, I'm having a little breakfast around the world party today. So I'm getting my mimosa station set up and everything. But basically, this is what you do. And I like to top mine with a little more cheese. So you just shake a little more on. And you could make this in your Airbnb in the morning if you have just eggs. You can run up to the grocery store, buy your Airbnb, get some eggs, get some sausage, get a little yellow and red pepper pack, slice that up, and some garlic and onion, and you just mix it with your eggs like you'd be mixing an omelet almost. It's almost like making an omelet, but you're making it into a casserole. And the only additional item is your salt and pepper, and then you're going to add about a little over half a cup of sour cream. So the sour cream gives it a really good flavor. And it can be light or regular sour cream. And like I say, you just dust it with your cheese because people like it really cheesy. And then you pop it in the oven for 35 or 40 minutes. And it's just like you have an omelet, but everybody gets a square of it, and it's really good. And you just shake the cheese around it like you would lasagna so that you get it cheesy. And it's so good. Everyone in your Airbnb will love it. Better for you than donuts, delicious. And then you just cut it really nice when it comes out. That's what it looks like before, and I'll post some pictures of the after. Live from St. Augustine, Florida. Happy travels, guys. See you hopefully in Scottsdale soon. Bye. My next Airbnb. It's coming, I believe, April 10th. My son who lives here will be dog sitting, and we will be in an Airbnb. So check out my new place in the mountains in Scottsdale on April 10th. And if you're in an Airbnb or at home, try this egg and cheese and sausage casserole for breakfast. It's so good. Bye. Recipe below.